Uttar Pradesh Hall at the India Trade Center. So here it's written District of One Product, Uttar Pradesh. So there we are. Hallways, we are walking, a lot of people out here. This is Department of MSME and Export Promotion. And I'm here, and this is the jewelry kiosk I've come, and it has sterling silver jewelry, silver artifacts and silver idols. So here we have the sterling silver. Here, look at that. And we have the proprietress here. I'm going to talk to her. Even I bought one pearl necklace. So we have the proprietress here, the one who owns this kiosk. Tell me about yourself.
Actually, I'm Shubhi, and I'm doing this business since last 10 years.
Okay.
Earlier, I was working somewhere, so I thought to quit my job and started my own business. Then I switched to silver jewelry because I think कि क्यों किसी artificial jewelry में जाना है, it's better to use eco-friendly product. जो हम recycle भी कर सकते हैं और सब कुछ कर सकते हैं.
So we can recycle that.
Silver and gold and diamond, everything.
Okay. This stall is provided by the
government.
Okay. So what is it? I mean, how did you get it from the what is the benefit of having a government stall at the trade fair center?
Yeah, actually we are manufacturer. So first time we are putting stall in trade fair. So हमें यहाँ की ये पता चला है कि लोग कितना bargaining करते हैं और हमारे product.
So you came to know that people bargain. Even I did bargain.
Yeah, people are bargaining lot of. So, but here I found a very good experience. The people are very nice and they are buying product a lot, and we got a very good response here.
So she has a lot of these workers who work for her, and they also make figurines like statuettes of god and goddesses, and you have these cultured pearls also, like you can see them, and Uttar Pradesh, with all the art and craft of Uttar Pradesh being sold in these various kiosks which are provided by the government. So they bring their wares and they sell them. These are the rings. So what do you do? How do you craft these?
Actually, we have a lot of labor in house, and I do the designing of all the jewelry, and then they implement my design. Actually, I give them the design, I draw sketches, then they make the jewelry as per my requirement.
So it's been 10 years now.
It's been 10 years now.
Wow, and it's a rewarding profession.
Yeah.
More power to women.
More power to women.
Yes.
Even it's more interesting. It's more interesting than garment.
Okay. Then the garments, you find this more interesting.
Yeah, the jewelry are more interesting.
So how do you spot a new design, or you use your imagination?
I don't know. I always saw the jewelry of people, and whenever I see something different, I create my own design on the basis of that jewelry, and sometimes my design create own jewelry.
Wow. So even while creating, you recreate a design of your mind. Wow, that's
I
something.
also renovate old jewelry.
So you're what? Renew.
Renovate
Old jewelry also. Okay. So generally it's silver, but you can do gold also. I mean, once you.
I am doing gold and diamond also, but here I am putting a stall only for silver jewelry. This is my you can see I am doing all kinds of jewelry.
Okay. Sai Jewelers by Shubhi. Okay. So silver, gold, natural and lab grown diamonds.
Yeah.
Jewelry.